Hello and welcome to the channel. This is your time to relax and listen to English in a calm and natural way. You don't need to understand every word, just listen and enjoy the story. Take a slow breath in and out. Now we begin. The old train station. Lucas lived in a quiet town where almost nothing changed. The same streets, the same shops, the same people every day. He worked in a small cafe near the center of town. Every morning, he made coffee, cleaned tables, and talked to regular customers. His life was simple, but sometimes it felt too quiet. Every evening after work, Lucas liked to walk. He didn't like to stay at home for too long. There was one place he often visited, an old train station at the edge of town. The station was no longer in use. No trains stopped there anymore. The tracks were still there, but they looked old and forgotten. Most people didn't go there. It was quiet and a little strange, but Lucas liked it. He liked the empty platform. He liked the silence. He imagined how it looked many years ago when people waited for trains and said goodbye to each other. One evening, Lucas finished work later than usual. The sky was already dark and the streets were almost empty. He walked slowly toward the old station. The air was cool. The wind moved softly between the buildings. When he arrived, everything looked the same. The platform was empty. The lights were off. Only one small lamp near the entrance still worked. It gave a weak yellow light. Lucas sat on a bench. He looked at the tracks. Everything was quiet. Too quiet. Then he heard something. A very soft sound, like metal moving. Lucas looked up. He listened carefully. Again, a quiet sound from far away. He stood up slowly. "No trains come here," he said to himself. But the sound was real. It became a little louder, still soft, but closer. Lucas walked to the edge of the platform. He looked down the tracks. At first, he saw nothing, only darkness. Then, a small light appeared, far away, on the tracks. Lucas felt his heart beat a little faster. Is that a train? But it was impossible. The light moved slowly, closer and closer. Lucas did not move. He watched. He listened. The sound of metal became clearer, not loud, but steady. The light grew brighter, and then a train appeared. It was old, very old. Its color was dark, almost black. The windows were dim. The train moved slowly. It stopped at the platform, right in front of Lucas. Lucas stood still. He didn't understand. This train was not supposed to be here. The doors opened, with a soft sound. No one came out. No one stood inside. The train was empty. Lucas felt something strange. Not fear, just a quiet curiosity. He looked inside. Empty seats, soft lights, clean floor. For a moment he thought about leaving, but something inside him said, "Go." Lucas took a step forward, then another step. He entered the train. The door closed behind him, softly. The train began to move, slowly. Lucas sat down near a window. He looked outside. The station moved away. The town disappeared. Soon, there was only darkness outside. The train moved quietly, almost without sound. Lucas felt calm, very calm. Time passed, but he didn't know how long, minutes or hours. Then, the train began to slow down. It stopped at another station. Lucas looked outside. This place was different. The station was small and empty, but it felt alive. The lights were warm. The air looked soft. Lucas stood up. He walked to the door. It opened. He stepped outside. The ground felt real, but everything was quiet. He walked a few steps. He turned around. The train was still there, waiting. He felt a strange feeling, like this place was important, but he didn't know why. After a moment, he returned to the train. He sat down again. The door closed. The train moved again. Soon, everything became dark again. Lucas felt his eyes getting heavy. He leaned back. He closed his eyes. When he opened them again, the train was gone. He was sitting on the bench at the old station. The small lamp still gave its weak light. The tracks were empty. Everything looked normal. Lucas stood up slowly. He looked around. No train, no sound. Was it real? He thought. He walked home, slowly. That night, he could not stop thinking about the train. The next evening, he went back. He sat on the same bench. He waited. Minutes passed, then an hour. Nothing happened. But Lucas did not feel disappointed. He just sat there, calm, quiet, because now he knew. Some things don't come when you wait. They come when you are ready, and sometimes they come only once. Thank you for listening. Relax, breathe slowly, and rest. Good night.